Are you tired of missing important emails from forums in your Gmail inbox? Well, fear no more, because in this video, I'll show you how to show forum emails in the label list on Gmail on your PC with the new update. Let's get started. First, open up gmail.com on your PC. Next, look for the gear icon on the top bar and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to open up all settings. Once you're in the settings, navigate to the Labels section. Here, you'll find a list of all the labels in your Gmail account. Look for the label that says Forums and click on it. Now, you'll see an option to Show in Label List. Make sure to check this box to ensure that all emails from forums are easily accessible in the label list on the left side of your Gmail inbox. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you'll never miss an important email from forums again. It's that easy. So, go ahead and try it out for yourself. Stay organized and on top of your emails with this handy feature on Gmail. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.